Hi, this is YouTube channel PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to measure the distance. Suppose there is a two pump and we want to know the distance between them. So simply click here, measure distance, and select here element. Select here element and then click one element and then second element. Here is distance 1830. Suppose we want to measure it by another way, click distance measure and click here graphics and zoom it and click on surface and match this point, then zoom out and zoom in and measure this, match this point. So 1830. You can measure this by these two methods. This two option mainly use element and graphics. And come back to our last problem. Last drawing which we made in last lesson. Here we want to know the cylinder height. So there are two methods. One is distance measure. Click on distance and press F8 button. Look on north and just click this surface and match this point, and click this surface and match this point. So here is distance 2000. Z is 2000. Suppose we want to know the diameter of cylinder. So we will click here and match this point and click here, match this point. So 1000 is diameter. Other method is go on modify, please be sure your selection should be on cylinder if you are measuring or you want to know about something. Suppose we want to know about cylinder height and diameter, so selection should be on cylinder. And modify attributes. So here you will get diameter 1000 and height it to 2000. You can modify from here also. This is second method. Selection should be on dish. I am intentionally moving this to here. If you don't know the distance between these, you can measure this by clicking measure here, or go to this and measure distance. Just measure the distance. So it is showing 1000. Just type here by up 1000. So it will comes like this. You can use this measure command to measure something, and most of time you will face the problem, and you can measure by this and move the component or anything, object, equipment by here command. If you like my videos, like and share and subscribe. Thank you.